Minor flooding is forecast. Where? North Branch Rancicles Creek at Pemberton. When? From this evening until further notice. Impacts at 2.5 feet. Some minor flooding begins in East Hampton along Rustic Peninsula and Paducah Roads. Lee Street, Joe Road, and Joe Court in Southampton also begin to flood. At 3.5 feet, Lee Street, Joe Road, and Joe Court in Southampton are subject to evacuations. Old George's Lane, Rancicles Trail, and the Ewensville section of Southampton are also flooded as is May Avenue. The flooding in East Hampton spreads to West Railroad Avenue. Additional details at 11 a.m. Wednesday, the stage was 2.4 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening and continue rising to a crest of 2.8 feet tomorrow morning. Flood stage is 2.5 feet.
Oh, no carbon test.
Flood history. This crest compares to a previous crest of 2.8 feet on December 19th, 2023.
Huh?
http://www.weather.gov/safety/flood. Following is a coastal flood warning from